Hey guys, back at it with my man's B. We're gonna do a little fishing challenge. He swears live bait is gonna kill it over lures. That's it? Okay. He believes it. All right. So I'm gonna use only lures. My man's gonna use. We have a few minnows left, and we've got as many worms as he'll ever need. So we got a point system set up. Chubs are 10 points. Bluegills, we'll call 15. 15. Catfish and bass.
25.
25, okay. 10, 15, 25. I got this. I feel confident I got this. We'll do same retie times. If there's snags and reties, we'll do that together. We don't have long, right? Daylight savings. It gets dark quick, so we got to roll. We got about an hour.
If we don't catch one of those fish, they're worth 40 points.
Any other fish is worth 40 points?
Yes.
Dang. Okay. All right, guys. Comment below who you think's gonna win. You guys just got here. We're gonna try this little creek. There's this big hole right here. Right? There's a ton of little minnows down in there. Probably can't see them. Got this side over here. Wide openness. Not quite as deep. Still a little deep. There's probably a hole or something around here. Oh yeah, I see little ones in there. I got this one in the bag. I'm not even worried about you.
No.
Ah. Nobody on the board yet. Just got down here. My man's he don't care the size. He's all about them points. He's running that Bob joint. Bob and Bobby, say what up.
So
I has to switch up. I was throwing you know me, I'm classic on that sweet drop. Inside the bag shot. I love throwing the white on white. 3-inch, too big for this spot. I just switched to this little crappie deal. I'm gonna toss in, I'm gonna get hit. I know I'm gonna get hit. He's got mad action, but they're itty bitty. He's wasting his time with these little ones. Oh, here comes one, here comes one. Oh. My man's first on the board. Chub, 10 points.
let's go.
Let's go. Number 2. Number 2. Finally. Got on the board.
10 points. If you catch a catfish, okay.
Oh. Still one behind, but got a little chub. He swallowed it. Number 2. Tied it up. Figured out the little finesse trick. You're in trouble now, man. Not for long, he says. Did you just steal my spot? Let's see you, bud. You're getting hit. All right, I gotta get this guy back in. Number 3, baby. Put it on the board. Yep. My man's. I said, you get one more cast. He's like, all right. Look at him. Tied it up. I just threw mine back. He's probably still swimming around down here. Atta boy. Boom. Let's see him. Whale.
It's beautiful.
Tied.
It's like purple.
Tied 3-3. Yeah, I know. They do get nice and colorful. Let's see if we can see him when you let him go. Throw him in. He's alright. Kind of lose him right away.
I see.
Alright, so challenge continues. Sun is setting. The Dixon Nightlife is roaring, I guess, if that's what the Dixon Nightlife is. Oh, my man's tied up, 2-2. I said, Bud, last cast. Funk, hits the bobber off the bridge. Bobber shatters. I'm like, man, only other bobbers in the truck. You got to fish on the bottom. Boom, pop the bobber off. Threw him on the bottom. I'm like, all right, reel in. It's time to go. I had just caught my third chub. He's bummed. He's like, oh, fish. I was like, yeah, okay, here we go. Man, if he did not reel in another one and tie it up. So we took our last 2 chubs. We brought him out to the river. We're hoping to hook up to something cool big. I don't know if it'll happen. We only got about 15 minutes. But can I just... Look at this sunset. I'll take it. Well, we didn't catch any fish here at the river, but we were in time to catch this. That's pretty freaking sweet. It was like 15 degrees warmer today. Much better for fishing. My man Bees will not quit. He's over there, you can't see him.